Having trouble with the Apple Maps app on your iPhone? It can be frustrating when the app isn't working, especially if it's stopping you from finding directions, searching for places, or loading the map properly. The issue might be caused by connectivity problems, app glitches, or software bugs. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through some guaranteed fixes to get Apple Maps working like new. Solution 1. Check Location Services Settings. Sometimes Apple Maps won't work if location services are turned off. Here's what to do. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is switched on. Then scroll through the list and check that Apple Maps has location access. Now set it to while using the app. Solution 2. Clear Apple Maps cache. Corrupted cache data might be causing the app to misbehave. Follow these steps to clear it. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage and find Maps. Next, tap Offload app to clear its cache without deleting your personal data. After that, reinstall the app from the App Store if needed. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Restrictions can block Apple Maps from working properly. Let's fix that. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn this option on if it's disabled. Now find Location and set it to Allow Changes. Then ensure that Location Services is enabled. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. If the problem is related to connectivity, resetting your network settings can help. Here's what to do. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular network and test Apple Maps again. By following these steps, your Apple Map app should be running up and smoothly again. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips and stay tuned for our next troubleshooting guide. Happy navigating!